Hello and welcome to Sanam's kitchen. In this video, I'm going to share with you a very easy and simple recipe of this crunchy and crispy snack, which I call it rolls. And it is very crunchy. It is storable snack, and Diwali is coming up, so this is a must have, and kids will love this. This is crispy, crunchy and tasty snack. It's perfect for tea time. So let's begin the recipe. But before we start, make sure to subscribe my channel, and for easy vegetarian recipes, don't forget to hit that bell icon. So let's prepare the dough first. So to prepare the dough, we are going to 2 cups of all-purpose flour, which is maida. You can also use a wheat flour if you like. Add pinch of hing or asafoetida, turmeric, red chili powder, and garam seeds, which is ajwain, which I'm going to rub between my palms and add it to enhance the flavor. And I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, which will give you nice flavor, and kasuri methi, which is 2 tablespoons, which I'm going to rub it between my palms like this and add it. It enhances the flavor as well. Now add salt as per taste. I'm using 1 teaspoon of salt and 3 tablespoons of oil, which is slightly warm, so that it gives the nice crunchy and crispy layers in our snack. So I'm going to mix everything well so that our flour is moistened with the oil. Now I'm adding little water at a time, and I'm kneading a dough. We don't want a very stiff dough and very soft dough, somewhere in between. So I have used about half cup of water to knead this dough. So our dough is been prepared. Now I'm going to take it out and slightly knead it with my hands, and I'm going to cover this and let it rest for 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes, I'm going to take the dough, knead with my hands, and then I'm going to divide this into equal portions, just like this. And we wanted to make a roti out of it. We wanted to roll it, not too thin, not too thick, somewhere in between. So I have rolled all of them just like this, and you can see the thickness here. It's not that thick, it's not that thin. Now take about 1 tablespoon of ghee, that is clarified butter, and add half a tablespoon of flour, maida, and I'm going to mix it until it forms a kind of a paste like this. And I'm going to spread this paste on one roti and lay another roti, and then spread the paste again, and then put another roti on top. So I have done this like 4 to 5 times, and this is very important so that you get a nice crispy and crunchy layer in the snack. So this is how I prepared. Now I'm going to roll it until it's nice and flat. Again, it's we don't want it to make it very thin, but um, like this. Now I'm going to cut this into equal portion, just like this. Now starting from the edge, you're going to roll it this way and make sure you stick it the end part so that it doesn't open up when you're frying it. Now the rolls are ready. Now let's fry them. So here I have oil heating up. It's medium hot, and you want to fry it in medium hot oil. Oil should not be very hot, otherwise it will be crispy on the outside but it will be raw inside. So, and just flip them continuously so that it gets fried thoroughly, so that it's not raw inside. So I'm going to fry until it's nice and golden. So here our crunchy and crispy rolls are ready. I hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to write in the comment box below. And this is really perfect recipe for a snack, and kids will love it, and you can enjoy it with tea time. So try this recipe today, and I will see you next time with another simple recipe. Till then, bye bye.